Lesson is border. So apply border in any view. So first of all, previous video is apply corner radius, and this video is learn apply border any view. So first of all, this created our code. This is overview. In this view to apply border. So first of all, image view dot layer dot border width. Width size is important to your border, 1 pixel 2 pixel as per your design. So I am default 5. And image view dot layer dot border color is important. So border color is maximum orange, and not direct border color applies UI color as a CG color. So border color as a CG color. So UI color any, and this orange is UI color type. So make dot changes UICG color. So converted UICG color, and this right way. So run our code and apply this border. This border is applied. So increase this border size 10, 10. Increase this border, changing color to red, the red border color, this red border, and this. So thank you watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel, and hit the notification bell to get notification in latest video. So thank you.